Hey, I just wanted to get on here because I just got done watching Senate Bill 9 in Kentucky, which is the Fetal Heartbeat Bill, get passed in the House floor. And so it is headed to the governor's desk to be signed, hopefully tonight. And I'm just so excited that I wanted to get on here and encourage every single person, no matter which state you're from, to write to your senators and write to your representatives and tell them how important it is that they pass pro-life laws. Because tonight in Kentucky, they just passed a law that had an emergency clause that will make it go into immediate effect. And because of how we know the abortion industry is making their money by providing abortions, there's a good chance that this bill, which prevents an abortion after a heartbeat is detectable, that it's going to hopefully shut down the only abortion clinic left in Kentucky, making Kentucky the first state to have 0 abortion clinics, at least until it goes to the Supreme Court. And so we're super excited about that. We have a long ways to go. There are so many different bills and some that, have even more potential to be long-term and to not come with a lawsuit and to pass in the Supreme Court. And so I would encourage you to educate yourself on these bills and write in on behalf of the ones that are solid and good and could be upheld in court, in the Supreme Court. But I'm just so excited to have been a part of this bill in Kentucky that is now passed and headed to the desk of the governor Matt Bevin. The bill was authored by Senator Matt Caslin. So find them on Facebook and Twitter and any social media and encourage them because they are leading. I'm so excited that these men were so bold and stood for life. We need more representatives and senators and people in office doing exactly what they're doing. And so thank you. I am an abortion survivor. My twin didn't survive the abortion that took my life. And so I am so thankful for people that are willing to speak up, willing to do something about this, and that includes sometimes, that's not the only way, but it includes passing laws that protect babies like me and mothers like my birth mother. So make the phone call, find out who your representative is, find out what bills are getting proposed in your state, educate yourself, and be sure to write them and urge them to pass pro-life laws. So thank you. I hope you're having a great night. And I just wanted to encourage y'all. Okay, bye-bye.